Maxima and Murano play the extremely important flagship role in their categories for Nissan. Of course, we know all about the growth of CUV segment. It's a large and growing market. Nissan has a strong CUV lineup, and Murano is our top-end, near-luxury crossover. It has raised the style and luxury bar for all competitors, generation after generation. This vehicle is the jewel of our expanding SUV and crossover portfolio. But we also believe in sedans, which remain a huge segment in this market. Nissan is investing in sedans because more than 6 million Americans still buy cars, including 3 million traditional sedans. And we intend to serve that mega market that is the sweet spot for millennials and Gen Z buyers with all new or refreshed offerings on all 4 of our sedans. Now today we are presenting the new Maxima, which continues to be a sedan for performance-minded customers. With its 300 horsepower V6 powertrain, advanced driving dynamics, fighter jet-inspired exterior, and driver-focused cockpit, both Maxima and Murano also embody flagship quality and customer appeal. In the 2018 J.D. Power IQS study, Maxima was #1 in the large car segment and ranked second highest among all vehicles. And it has topped the J.D. Power Appeal study twice in the last 3 years, while Murano has topped Appeal 2 of the past 4 years. Now, both Maxima and Murano are strengthening their positions for 2019 with new tech content such as Safety Shield 360. They also feature intelligent forward collision warning, which lets the vehicle see 2 vehicles ahead. It provides a warning if that vehicle stops suddenly. We are also adding intelligent lane intervention, which nudges the vehicle back into its lane when it strays. To top off safety, the 2019 Maxima and Murano now have 10 standard airbags. And there's one other important feature to call out, and that is our innovative rear door alert, so you don't forget cherished items in the back seat. We are very proud of this important innovation and hope more automakers adopt this type of technology. The 2019 Maxima is manufactured in Tennessee, and the 2019 Murano is made in Mississippi. Both will be in dealer showrooms this winter, and we look forward to a great response from loyalists as well as new customers. Now, there's no mistaking a Nissan Maxima or Nissan Murano because of their iconic designs. We talked about all of the technology they share. Another thing they have in common is they both were designed at Nissan Design America in San Diego. Now, please join me in welcoming Alfonso Albaiza, Nissan's global head of design, who will share his team's vision for both of these beautiful vehicles. Alfonso?
Good afternoon, everyone. It's very nice to be here again in LA. Down the road, around 120 miles away, sits our wonderfully creative Nissan Design America. Many iconic models for Nissan and Infiniti were dreamed up and created just there, including the current Murano and Maxima refresh and the original designs, actually. We are proud to say that both these segments were invented by Nissan, and both remain a focus of our attention and our desire to raise the bar on what is possible for our customers. Take the Maxima, for example, our iconic 4-door sports car. The starting point, actually, is ideal for a subject for our designers. And with this refresh, our designers in San Diego sought to express a deeper sense of sport and a more assertive attitude. The grille has opened up, and it's dropped low. It's hugging the road as it drives. The lamps have become very high-tech, thin, and focused with a purpose. The Maxima has an intensity that is liberated from constraint. The Maxima's interior has also been enhanced to further its passionate, crafted, high-quality image. The bug likes it also. There is also a new Platinum Reserve package with unique Rakuda, tan, semi-aniline, leather seats, and of course an exclusive 19-inch wheel. The bottom line is, we're taking Maxima's legendary flagship premiumness up to a true luxury status. Now, turning to Murano. Like Maxima, we're taking the premiumness of Murano to a higher level. With the Murano, we have planted a flag around urban chic. It expresses a dynamic side of Nissan, but with an urban sophistication and a sense of completeness. On the exterior, we've upped Murano's elegant intensity with a new V-motion movement in front, new wheels, new LED lights front and rear, and 3 fresh new colors. If Murano said tech luxury before, the new design shouts it, with an enhanced interior features and quality craftsmanship. These new 2019 Nissan models, the Murano and the Maxima, exemplify the high standard of Nissan Intelligent Mobility. More confidence, more excitement, more connectivity. Each offers well thought out technology, bold designs, and driving exhilaration. And there will be more. This January, in Detroit, Nissan will host the world debut of an EV concept that you need to see, that breaks new ground in design, packaging, and of course, Nissan performance.